Morning and welcome to day 22 of Vlogmas. I am up in a fashion. I don't actually think when I went out I filmed anything. Just because once I've had a drink, I don't really go off up, to be honest. I just live and enjoy the moment. But yeah, it was a really good night. It wasn't too late. I was home by just after midnight, so not too long. Alexa, stop. Yeah, after midnight. It is 8:45, so I'm up fairly early. I obviously didn't edit yesterday's vlog, so I'm doing it now. Oh god, I feel like I'm gonna drop a laptop. That would not be good. Oh, why is it so sunny? Apparently, not where I live, but where I work, and over the A66, it's thick with snow. That's gonna be fun. But today I'm off to a hot tub party with Abby and Sophie. As I say, Jordan's coming as well. Yeah, so I'll do this and I'll put you back. I have come up the stairs. The video was not exporting, so I'll deal with that later. I need to get dressed and pack a bag because we're staying overnight. And Sophie's there. That's all I have to say. But let's go. It's not that I don't get hangovers, I just get tired. It's the lack of sleep, because you don't sleep properly when you've had a drink, and that's what gets me. I need my sleep. I'm not gonna sleep tonight either. I have got somewhat dressed. My hair has been brushed. I've had a quick shower because, you know, I haven't washed my hair because we've got a hot tub tonight. It's gonna get wet anyway. But I will. Oh, nope. I need to pack. So what? I'll put you down, and I'll think as I'm packing. I like to do it backwards. So tomorrow, what will I need? Some clothes for tomorrow. I think I might wear these Mazara jeans because they're very comfy. I'm going to cinema tomorrow with Hannah. We didn't know whether to go see Mufasa or Moana 2. I think I might go see Moana. I'm going to put a t-shirt, a long sleeve top with that. There we go. A long sleeve top because I want to wear my Mickey cardigan, my Christmas one. Especially we're going to see a Disney film. We are, that is going on it. Clothes for tomorrow, plus that. Makeup, that's already packaged, my skincare. I've got like travel bits that I keep together, so that's nice. It's going in. That's tomorrow sorted. Tonight, pyjamas. There you go, in. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh, deodorant. I'll put my charge on that later because I don't need those. I think that's it. think we're done. Yeah. I've sat for the past 10 minutes, a couple of minutes, planning my 25 travel event plans. Not many so far. We've got Amsterdam. Me and Hannah got Amsterdam at the start of the year. And then Hannah wants to go somewhere for her birthday in June. Then we're going to go to Tenerife in August. And then we don't know, September, October we're going to do Disneyland Paris. But January 2026 we are planning on doing a Disney cruise. Like an American one. Like doing 10 days over in America and coming home. But what a nice way to start off 2026. But that depends if I'm here or not. Because I will be applying again for the CRP. I can apply till I'm 32. So I've got a couple of years yet. But actually I'm starving. It's half 12 and I'm starving. So I'm going to get some dinner. Oh, Hannah's sharing videos of me on TikTok. Oh lovely, it's things. Oh, wrapping paper. Hello, it's been a while. Oh yeah, I'm finally dressed. It is time to head off to Sophie's. Abby was gonna pick me up, but I'm gonna drive and then I can get some bread before the shop's shut, and then she's going somewhere with Jordan to pick his car up. And then we'll meet there. Oh, let's knock the tree lights off before I forget and leave them on, because that won't be good. I'm great. Hello, I'm in the car ready to go. Actually, I put my phone on charge before we set off. I'll be messaged. Alright then, that's the problem. No problem, that's okay. Yeah, so it's literally... Oh no, you can't see me.
I built with you. Now the time's no longer.
I'm really good. I'm trying to yeah. Let's head to Soaps. I need to go and get some bread for the morning. Because she lives in the countryside. Hello, just me ended yesterday's vlog. I hope you enjoyed. We just chilled in the hot tub, had a few drinks, ate, and went to bed. Nothing too crazy because we're getting old.